Hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to make this magnify effect in MacBook. So before we start, let me show you my MacBook current program status. So basically, go to system setting. Go to about this Mac. Basically my MacBook version is MacBook OS Sonama 14.4.1 and using Apple M1 chip. So basically this is my MacBook current status upgrade software. And to make this, first you need to go to here as a quick, and you can see you can turn the magnification off. So basically I turn off and it will become to normal status, and I can press and turn back it on, and yeah, it will show magnifying effect at the dock. So basically that's all how to make magnify effect in MacBook Air M1. Thank you.